Yeah, is it good there? Yeah, we can change some ends on APV. Already start.
You's a freaky ass nigga! Oh! What is that? Oh,
Yeah, you can pause it there. Let me take out the tire. And there you have all them angles, my brother. I have all them angles. Yeah, we back with that big boy Glock here. Glock with the switch. Crap. That is it. One time. Alright. Here's what we do here. I can conk there first, so I will not have much adjustment to do. I can conk there, burst that at 19, stuck in it, then take that out, remove that, put the new one, put that in, screw it back, mount it back up. And time. That is it, buddy boy. We're gonna shit on them dead guys. Pose it and watch this soon. Yeah, so look what I have. Guys, what your boy have. 19, 17 and an ends popper. One day. One day.
oh!
From day one. Yeah, so putting it. So just like butter. That is it. Forget who I be, man. Hey, one time. Yeah, let me show you a signal now. I thought it was just the outer ends, but since I already marked it, I know already what I have to do. So all I have to do now, pull out that dust cap, pop. Yeah. Yeah, man. Then it have a little clip right there. I have to bend that boy out from the both side, and then I have to take something and twist in it. So. Tight shit. When you put in that in, you have to make sure you have that metal piece there. That is got that lock in it. Yeah. Check it.
Blast from the past, we ain't talking no cap. One in his head. If the nigga talking about his rap, then I'ma hit them all and step out with designer bag. Now, shawty wanna talk, I told